Hi guys, how are you guys doing? This is Tina, the lifestyler. Wait, no, let me.
Okay.
What do I run?
Okay, go. So you're not giving them no more your face?
No, never get 50% involvement.
Guys, she's so, I don't know.
Guys, as I was saying, welcome to Lifestyle with Yoli. This is Vlogmas Day.
I think this is gonna be day 8.
This is Vlogmas Day 8. So guys, we're going. Oh, every time I say guys, may I think about
so
one.
lifestylers, can you call them by their name, please?
They're not who name them.
They're lifestylers.
But who name
yes,
them?
So why you saying guys?
So you not come at me like kind of me name them. You not even have a name. And me name the family. So when they come for me, I name you guys. So I don't know why she come for me.
Okay.
Tell them the truth. Make them know that.
Yeah.
Okay, because she never know what we call it, guys. But yes. As I was saying, welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. This is Tina, and here's the owner of the vlog.
Yeah, Lifestyle with Yoli.
So what are you up to today?
So guys,
so lifestylers.
Today we were supposed to be.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Were you gonna say you're brute? You were gonna swear?
Brute, I don't swear. Brute is Jamaican language.
Right? Anyways, guys, today we were supposed to be at church. You know, we are laugh like we're well. We're not well.
No, watch out. Guys, you know well for true.
Guys, you know well for true, guys. Right? Remember a couple vlogs? I think it was Vlogmas Day 3. I was telling you guys that I was getting pain here. So this morning I woke up. It's the swelling got a little bigger, like here and there, and I'm in a lot of pain. It seems like I'm getting an ear infection, because that's what it feels like, guys. So we never go to church. So we're just running to Costco, because we were gonna go to Costco after church, but yes, so we're gonna go do a little Costco run, and that's it, right? And then come back home, make a quick dinner, nothing crazy, maybe just throw a piece of salmon in the oven, steam a little rice, and that's that, nothing more. Yes, so you know, as usual, me carrying up on the road because of Vlogmas. Yes, so we are going road. So
yes, know. Guys, so she never well, so I keep Sunday church today.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So while we are drive, we are gonna listen to little church. We still are tuning, even though we're not there physically, we're there spiritually. With spirit man still there. Yeah, so so no come to Costco? No one come?
Oh, my phone drop. Hey, the tripod that we have on my hand, and I remember saying guys, no man.
Guys, because it's not my car, it's Equana.
I'm a phone I drop all of my personal belongings never fly. No
mount for my headphone, so anyways, guys, I'll see you all in Costco. We'll shop around at Costco together. Hopefully them not playing a Christmas carols, because everywhere I go Christmas carols, it makes it so hard for me to vlog. Yeah?
Easy with your foot on your car this.
What do you mean?
I mean easy with your foot.
Speed limit.
Yours is not 90 odd. A 90 odd missed a while ago.
Guys, what's wrong with her? Anyways, guys.
Tall T foot them, guys. Heavy. That hear me.
I'll see you guys at Costco, alright? Bye. Deserve it. Tina, you see in a carton there? We should have bring one. No? Oh, we take one of this here. Can I get one? You deserve it. Guys, we don't know what's keeping at Costco. Look like them might give us something today. Let me show you the line. Something is giving away. Gots to be. Guys, you have to line up. Tina, you have your money? You have the Christmas gift in here, everything we need. Guys, look at the line to go in Costco. Why? Why is this? Guys, and then say, sorry, your card, Tina. And then say a hard time. Guys, then say time hard. But it don't look like that. here warm? They want in here cold? They want, she said in here warm, guys. They actually should do want in here cold. They have earpods that's cheaper during the Black Friday. That's not a thing. Oh, what is this? Guys, this is a good buy. $23. I'm gonna walk with it. Yeah, and if I feel like take it, I'm gonna take it. But that's a good buy. $23. Oh, them screw it down. Yes, God. Guys, it must have a base. $279. It must go boom, boom.
Oh no, it's not for $279.
What is it?
It's for $190.
Oh, that's not bad.
$190.
Yeah. Oh, $119, guys. My bad. That's not bad then. Because it's on sale, right? That's not bad at all. $40 off. But guys, I want a speaker with a shake. Boom. Boom. Okay. It's not here because if you see if the PSP so what do they call it, visible. That's how much for it? Get that for true. Or the more guys, them are soon not can't find them, you know. So if you don't want them, come quick. This isn't. Oh, this one is a karaoke. One where you can put in at the living room. Maybe is it this one? This or this? No, that me know so they have it in here. This seems like one too.
Those are like the surround sound one, right?
Yeah, but you can still connect your TV or your.
Yeah, that they do with surround sound.
Yeah. I like that. Or that. Or even this one. Because this one you can't carry it anywhere. Because I don't think, does it work with battery? I don't know. See, that one is one you can bring everywhere. I go say must. Yeah. Yeah, man. Something like this, you know. Kind of want a string. Yeah. So guys, if any of you guys wondering what to get me, it's at Costco. You can get me that. You can get me this. You can even get me this. Any which one? Huh? Yeah, $199. This one is $40 off. This one is $600. But guys, I'm gonna keep an eye on these now. Yeah. Cause remember me being I say, yeah. If summertime we can go in the backyard, go put it on and play. What you say? What you say? Guys, you can try on the ocean now. What you say? I changed it.
What did you change?
The other day. Or what else do you want to get me? How much is this, Tina? What's here? $5.93. I just want for Christmas.
Yeah, man.
I'll buy it. Don't worry.
So pick up your car. Don't worry. Don't worry.
This is what I want next year, guys. This.
Hey,
You think we should have get money this team birthday and then we use it?
Oh, are you a siren?
Guys, look at this lounge wear. this is. I'm gonna show you the can. Sorry. So it's like a, but this is not my size. I'm always in a plastic. It's a very cute lounge wear. Let me go. Wait. So here's the extra small. The extra small still big. This is the extra small. Let me show you guys. Wait. So guys, you got this, which is the top. Let me show you the bottom. So this is the bottom. But the foot is very bell. I think make a bite and try it, guys. See how it looks. I don't know.
Eh?
Oh, see some of them.
Oh, then change it.
Yeah. I just see how some of them expensive in a foreign. What's it? $56 for what?
For the LT stuff. I want to make it. I use Zoom.
Which one? This?
Yeah.
$100, guys.
Just like that. Just like
But
that.
you may travel with Irola. You don't have to worry myself.
Tell her for worry. I'm gonna tell her for worry.
Guys.
Tell her.
The one is plain baby, but we don't see no plain one.
Maybe do the 4 cheese.
No, they don't like that.
Guys, she not pay me nothing to do this, you know. A favor me I do. Cause she can't pay me no fee I walk around and just a video them guys.
The kids them like this. That's what I'm grabbing it. Rolls. Always check your dates, okay? When you shop at Costco.
How much
check
Costco
your-
pay you?
So eggnog now.
And then what else?
Them still have muffin.
Once it don't even look like them a pay it no mind. Maybe we should get croissant for them. How about now you get the rolls?
They have bread already. Alright,
Okay guys. She'll catch you later, yeah? Coconut cookie.
Can you and the coconut what?
Cocoa. How much is that?
Listen, me I'm a YouTuber. I'm gonna sign up with this. I'm sign
Why?
up I drive. I'm sign up for.
Guys, why is she behaving like this? Huh? Pardon me? I don't see you.
You again, the way you in that
It's at my face.
people can't sue you for video them.
Tell them what happened. Tell them what happened.
Guys, we get eggnog. The kids them love eggnog.
What did you call it before the
No.
camera was rolling?
No, I'm not telling them.
Okay. Oh, sorry.
That just have that would be not free or
A free what?
Work.
Oh, sorry. Guys, she busy a vlog. And just a lick up in a people. I buy this for myself. Thinking I gotta have a drink for the kids them now go. We never know. So then would I like it, them drink it? Sorry. We should have take up one of these boxes, eh?
True, because we don't have anything. Isn't this one bigger or is it the same?
Actually, this one is bigger, I would think.
So we don't need both, you think?
One. Oh, okay. And butter. And then that's it. I don't want nothing more. Switching the coconut water. She says something, the one that's coming like the one from yard. She feel like, she says she feel like this one.
Well,
I got
guys,
taste
it's
like.
organic, so let's see.
Yeah.
You will come tell you now. Let's see what you She'll give the feedback.
I'll give another update. Kids love the mac and cheese. Should I get them this?
What's that, the top one?
No, the bigger box. It's $15. When it's on sale, it's for like $10. Since there's money in the mac and cheese era. Guys, you see them fool little something here? Don't make them fool here. Go for the cashier. How much? Hundreds of dollars. It's Casa Living. High. Sky high. Cost of living. What are you looking for? Come on. Come on. Don't waste money. Oh God. Flowers. Guys, I love me some flowers. I love me some flowers. These are $29. Which one of them? Flowers bouquet. What do you mean I'm blocking people? I'll go to Walmart to buy my cheap roses. Yeah. That's what I'll do. They don't even look all that fresh. So I'll go to Walmart. Sending barrel to Jamaica. These are the big bottle. Well, not really, because I think if you put these big things in the barrel, it take up too much space and you can have a few small ones. I think I still need oil, you know. I think I still need oil. Vegetable oil. So one is canola, one is vegetable.
$15.99. Place your item in the tray area.
Where is it? Oh.
$15.99. Place your item in the tray area. Please place the last scanned item in the tray area.
Because it's a scale, so it thinks it's an sorry.
That's okay.
Please continue scanning. $6.79. $7.49.
Remember last time Tina didn't tell us that we can't do, so do it in a style.
Oh, me never know said that did that before. Me
Yeah,
never-
but me come here once. I didn't tell us that. You can't do that. So do this.
$7.99. Credit $2. $6.99. $9.99.
just drop your box them and grow. Huh?
Yeah, man. How much for them there?
You leave me, go.
Hello, lifestylers. Guys, what if I tell you that it's what time? I can't tell you no time, guys, because okay, let me turn off the oven. Oh, I'm not do bad. So guys, it's 9 o'clock now and I'm just finishing dinner because remember I told you guys I wasn't feeling well. So no, don't judge me, not tell nobody. At least I did need supper, even though I wasn't feeling well. Because Abby was at work, so he couldn't help me. Yeah. So just a finished supper, guys. But it was a quick dinner. Yeah, I take 2 pills and I did feel a little better. So I said, let me make something go on for everybody. Yes, so guys, I'm closing off this vlog. Guys, I really do hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas. Yes, and I've gotten I think I've gotten one feedback from Divam. Div. Hold on. Yes, I've gotten, I think, one feedback from Divam, and I don't know if the other one was from Jacqueline, that you guys are enjoying Vlogmas. Yeah, so, I just want to give a shout out to Divam, Jacqueline, Arlene, also Yvonne, and Jennifer. Who else? And Laverne, yes. Oh, can I forget Laverne? Yes. So, guys, thank you all, for always tuning in, always interacting with me, always supporting. Yes. Thank you so much. And for my new subbies, I've seen 10 or I think about 20 new subbies since I've started Vlogmas. Welcome to my channel. And thank you for your subscription. And don't forget, you guys could go ahead and watch old videos so you could get to know me and my family more. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful week ahead. God bless and love you all. Let me show you guys my supper first. Let me show you my supper. This is dinner. So this is the gravy, the broccoli. I'm going to put it in the pot right now. That's butter and salt in the water. And this is the salmon. Yes, this is teriyaki salmon. And then I have the rice over here. So yeah, very simple Sunday. Yeah. All right. Catch you guys. Bye.
Put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say